Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I will be creating a Chocobox card. It's a combination of a card and a box using Lemoncraft Mystery Scrapbooking Kit. This is the kit from September. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you would like to see the content in details, please visit my Instagram or Facebook. I have a video showing what was inside the box. I will quickly show you here what you could find, and the first and the most important thing for the videos today is the Chocobox card base. So it's a card kind of with a box combined in one base. You will receive it flat, but it is prescored. So I'm going to start with the folding along the lines. I'm using the bone folder to do all the folds. And when you will finish that, you will see how to build a base. It is very easy. We just need to fold the pocket where you will be putting a chocolate or a different kind of sweet. I'm not sure if anything else would fit there, but it's designed for a chocolate. And then I will decorate it. So first step for me will be to take the measurements. I'm going to cut my papers slightly smaller than the base. That's why I wanted to know what is the exact size of each page. So I have four papers to cover the front and the inside of the Chocobox, and then I have some strips to cover how you call those spaces between, it's like a spine, maybe, I don't know how you would call it, side of the pocket, and then the spaces between the pages, basically. So I'm using the papers which were included in the kit. Actually, I'm only using the products which were included in the kit, apart the white acrylic paint and glue, of course. But the paint I will be using at the end of the video. So I will start with adhering the paper to my card base. I'm not going to decorate the back of the card. You can do it, of course, but I'm just not doing it today. The part where the pocket is has like a half circle cut into it, so I'm going to trace that onto the paper I will be using for that part, and I'm just going to use the scissors to cut it out. You could use a die if you have it in similar size. I'm cutting it a bit bigger than it is on the card base, so I can have a very little border. And then I will just adhere all the papers and we'll start to decorate the front of the Chocobox. You can put the base together before decorating, but I will keep it flat and I will adhere the pocket to the base later when the front is embellished. But of course you do what you think will be easier for you. For decorating, I'm using the embellishments which were in the kit. There was a few different ribbons, and I'm just going to create a lovely border with grey and white ribbon, and then I will create another border with the flower petals. You can see that they were the petals in white and purple violet color, and I'm just going to use these to create a lovely border, and then I will add some flowers. This composition will be quite simple but very adorable. I haven't done anything actually not too like much embellished for a long time, and I really like the result. I really like that Chocobox. And in the kit there were also very nice twigs and berries, you know, some of those artificial leaves, and I will be using them to fill my composition with these interesting elements. When you will be adhering your card pocket to the card base, it is important just to take time to do it nicely. You want the edge of the pocket be even with the edge of the card base, so I will add glue, and then I will wait a few minutes for glue to dry before I will finish my card. My choco card is almost finished. I'm going to add one more layer of lace on the bottom of the composition. There was something missing there, so I'm going to do that, and then I will add splats of white acrylic paint. Of course, you can skip that step if you don't like the paint on your project. I mix the paint with a little bit of water and use a very little brush to add small splats. And then that will be it. I want to thank you very much for joining me today and for commenting on my videos, for visiting my channel, for your support. It means a lot to me. If you haven't heard about the Lemoncraft Mystery Scrapbooking Kit, check my other videos on my channel or visit Lemoncraft page, Facebook page, Instagram, or website. You will find more information there. I will also provide the link below the video. I hope you like the project, and if you have the kit, I'm hoping that you will create something similar. Thanks again, and I will talk to you soon. Take care, everyone. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.